Welcome to another in the series of self-identity through Hooponopono. Our instructor has taught this process all over the world. He's an author, a lecturer, and a PhD. Here is Dr. Ihaleakala Hew Len.
Welcome to the series of self-identity through Hooponopono. Hooponopono is a very, very simple problem-solving process. It's an ancient Hawaiian problem-solving process. And so the process is very simple. It includes your identity, and in your identity, specifically in the subconscious, you have memories replaying, and it is those memories that replay problems that you've had in the past, what Shakespeare called for be mon mon. You're playing the problem over again, and so the Hooponopono is about bringing those memories to an end and ending the experience of whatever problems that you're experiencing, be it financial or material or whatever. So Hooponopono is a process of repentance, forgiveness, and transmutation, asking the divinity to erase the problem in you so that it takes you back to zero, and at zero you're free, no information playing, and then you get inspired with information from the divinity, perfect information for existence. So I'm going to give you a cleaning process called silence pills. So the silence pills is about women's hatred for men, and anybody can do it. It can be either done by men or by women. So silence pills helps to erase memories of women's hatred of men. Mentally say, I take silence pills. The cleansing process will take memories back to zero, allowing love to manifest. Silence pill is to be used by both men and women. So if you're in a relationship and there's anger or resentment or anything going on in this relationship, then the silence pill as a process can be used. But it's a process of taking you back to your identity. So who am I? I am nothing. And then as long as I am nothing, then you become enlightened. And as you become enlightened, you get whatever information that's perfect and right from you, from the divinity, and you act according to that information. And you don't have to do anything but just be yourself. So the Hooponopono is about releasing memories, the memories that are in you that create problems and blocks the light. And the Hooponopono process is a very simple process of making amends for those memories. And you take silence pills, and you take silence pills, the divinity transmutes the memories and removes the memories, takes you back into the light, you're home again, perfect information for living. So the Hooponopono is a very simple process of making amends for errors and offenses. Errors is in your soul, called memories replaying. And so the process is you just do it, and any of these processes will work, whether it's silence pills, I love you, thank you, blue solar water, dewdrops, the whole kit and caboodle, any of those processes can work. And all you have to do is say them. You don't have to think about them, you don't have to believe in them, you don't have to mean it. All you have to do is say them. I love you, thank you, silence pill. And the divinity is then willing to do its part by taking those memories and transmuting them, taking the memories back to pure energy, releasing the pure energy back into storage, and then you're zero, and you're free, you're back at zero again, you're back into your identity, and then as you get back into your identity, you become enlightened, and all the information that you need, you get, perfect relationships, perfect money, perfect source of anything, and you're free. And so the Hooponopono is about freedom. Freedom from what? Memories replaying. So it's like Shakespeare talks about the freedom of the soul, and so the soul is where the memories are kept, and the Hooponopono is only about releasing those memories. And it's, again, as somebody told me in Brno, Czech Republic, the process is brutally simple. All you have to do is do it. And when you do it, divinity has to do its part. It has to take those memories and transmute them to pure energy, release them, and then you're back home again. You're back home again as yourself. Thank you.
For more information, self-identity through hooponopono.com.